Hello everyone, myself Anirvan Krishna, roll number 21EE30004, and here I am going to present my first assignment for the Do-It-Yourself course 2021, for which I have prepared a 3D model of a space shuttle. For preparing my 3D model, I have used the FreeCAD software. For preparing the space shuttle, I have created three two-dimensional sketches for the top, for the bottom, and for the middle. Then I used the additive loft feature of FreeCAD to give it a three-dimensional look. For the cylindrical propellants, I created first a two-dimensional rectangle and then used the revolve feature of FreeCAD to give it a cylindrical look. I used the part boolean operation, or to be precise, the union operation in the part boolean feature to create the front and the rear ends of this propellant. I merged first the hemisphere with this cylinder for the front end, and for the rear end I did it with two cylinders. Then I mirrored this right one to create the left one. I used the pad feature available in FreeCAD to create its landing gear, which is clearly visible from the bottom view of the model. Let me present the isometric view first, and then the top view and side view. Finally, I also used the mesh option to give it a finishing touch, which will make it easy and convenient while 3D printing. Now let us head towards the Cura software, where we can change our print settings to make the printing easy and convenient. Moreover, we can view there what time it would take in printing this entire model. Here in the Cura software, we will finally preview our model before the 3D printing. We will also check for the constraints of dimension and time, as well as for the print settings. Like here in the dimension constraints, we can see that our model clearly obeys all the dimension constraints of 200 mm each for X, Y, and Z. Coming to the quality and the print settings, the layer height has been set to 0.2 mm and the infill density to 65%. The printing temperature and the build plate temperature have been respectively set to 200 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius. The print speed has been reduced to 60 mm per second to obey the constraints, and the cooling of the model will take place at a fan speed of 100%. I have also generated a build plate adhesion of the brim type for the extruder one. Let us slice the model and find out the exact printing time for this model. So here we can see that the 64 gram model will get 3D printed in a time of 5 hours and 26 minutes. Now let us preview and see for the individual layers of this model. So as we can see here, 168 types of layers will be present in this model, which will constitute the 3D model. We can view the individual layers as I have been showing here. So we can see the individual constitutions of our three-dimensional model. So let me present the final 3D view, back view, top view, left view, and the right view for our 3D model. So with all this, I would like to thank you all for your patience, and I would like to end my presentation here. Thank you so much for watching this video.